Introducing the Inspire Learning Management System by Rivertown Communications. E-learning is a proven and powerful way to convey knowledge. It presents information over multiple channels and lets each learner take lessons virtually, whenever and wherever it's convenient. Effective e-learning delivery requires the right tools, and that typically means a learning management system. A learning management system, or LMS, automates delivery, testing, and tracking of student learning and progress. That's important, but the typical learning management system is like the confusing TV remote with dozens of buttons you'll never use. That complexity makes courseware management costly and time-consuming. As a result, delivering courses to your learners can be delayed, and you can miss tracking important progress data you need for a successful training program. Rivertown's Inspire Learning Management System, or LMS, is different. As a powerful content delivery platform, it does everything a typical learning management system does, but it adds one important feature. Inspire is designed to let non-programmers easily assemble and deliver new e-learning courses quickly. And after all, isn't timely delivery of content the heart of your e-learning program? When using Inspire, you can easily combine new material with existing content, objects like Word documents, PowerPoint presentations, or videos, to create effective courses and maximize learning outcomes. Inspire LMS can easily import courses created with development tools, such as Adobe Captivate, Articulate Storyline, or Articulate Rise, or any other tool that exports SCORM packages. And using the Inspire API, we can instruct Inspire to exchange data with your other systems, like your HR system. And the Inspire LMS program itself is easy to install and easy to use. If you ever need operational support, call us. We're here to back you up. Because it's fully hosted by Rivertown, Inspire adds no burden to your IT department or to the workload of your IT staff. That's a big cost savings. And as a cloud-based system, it can be securely accessed from anywhere your people are located. Your headquarters, your field offices, or remote locations anywhere in the world. Inspire is scalable, currently supporting user bases ranging in size from 50 people to over 70,000. And at almost any size, Inspire-based e-learning programs cost less than other LMS systems. They charge between 50 cents and $2 per learner per month, sometimes even more. The Rivertown pricing model is different, and not based on the number of students or courses in your system. This helps keep your training costs down. Take the next step toward implementing powerful, cost-effective e-learning for your organization. Contact Rivertown at 651-430-0353 and let us help you reach your training goals.